Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to check the global finance news on Comet Browser. So on the left side we have the Finance tab, so click on it and here we have the markets. We can change from US to India and we have the market summary, as you can see right here. We have the crypto tag, earnings and screener. So in crypto, as the name says, we have the leaderboard of cryptocurrency. In earnings, we have all the news. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.